no matter. Until for now, on the day, we're more peaceful in our own tone.
Oh, but my musax. A DNSC.
DNSC in the minds of the supporters.
No. What I know, DNSC, I'm supported. Be like I said, a peaceful way. I mean, what has happened?
Well, so based on their conversation, the club is not meeting on more expectations. The performance of the club, no.
So,
it meets your more expectations.
So my question is, why more expectation?
The expectations of these fans.
But
so they believe that the standard of the club.
Matthias, me buza question. Over I'm into managing. What to your expectation? So how do you expect me to meet your expectation?
I'm saying the club before the league started, no. One or the other, communicating mom said they are going for the trophy.
Why not communicate?
Also, I think Mr. To Ogumaka in some of his interviews.
Sure.
Yes.
So Kotoko going to win the league.
Yes, Ogumaka in some of his interviews.
Okay, granted, says Anity. Team non does me.
Sir.
Okay. Near Pomon Beji League, and no more toss away any moon and edgy. So are they at a point where they think that they cannot win the league and that the Ogum kind of heading
these are questions I'm thinking that for
okay.
But at the end of the day,
I want to understand. At the end of the day,
the current form of Asante Kotoko, they cannot win the league.
Okay, so what are the issues? They're not form.
But you can think say
it's just an academic exercise. Oh, see, I sounded that for me. I sounded that for me. The Mibusa is not like, oh, now, and fancy.
I understand.
Because for instance, the issue is technical. That's why they are talking about the coach, right? Okay, if it's technical, do you need a demonstration?
To make us say, it drew. You can't say it drew.
Okay, finally.
My
Musa will fine. My Musa will fine. Are they convinced to say this coach cannot win them the league?
Well, so I think that none of them is saying, based on Kakra Ateteno, that they should sack the coach. As a sack the coach for no form.
Okay, so this demonstration is meant for the coach to sit up.
Exactly.
And yes, say,
I think say
I said the say. We say make friend now female na we say
no to omo kra now on say omo am say from free only omo kasa they've not been involved in this.
Obviously they will not be involved in this. Obviously. I better not involved in they cannot lead
for now they've not been involved in this.
Okay.
Inti
ready be say o
me sure sem no to in framanes especially anopana you breaking news now about club not taking decision and run say on police for kakra ba ho senior obi ankoye ni amon say because one thing that from people close to the club or people in affairs ne can say omanya that signal no senior account radio no so say chita phone be ba ho but they are yet to identify the leaders of this particular demo ya mi so to omo kase be ba so and that is where they see it that sen come who the leaders are come from no maiden akasa ba akwa man from that is where you need to be careful why here na nye obi a onye relevant okotoko bi anipa bonifo bi na otu adwenboni bi aba omutem no ma plan so babies and wo so down so and that is why they are making it clear because none of the circles leadership is part of this whole issue about Bontin, both regional and national.
Send a bad name for them to be recognized.
A hunting a club that taking decisions as at the end, also be protected the facility because
any problem will be from
exactly. If you any problem will be
from team for
because I want me who
I'm going to identify a group
in your more lead. Just that Namia do moment signals. It won't try home man because we are now quite see.
So they agree say almost supporters.
They agree on say
but don't want me identify them.
Exactly.
And yes, sir, they are say come get police for some if they are not your supporters.
No, then yes, some but no say who do
the fact say they recognize that it is their supporters.
That is based on the info that is coming in. Okay. But as to who is leading, as to when a leader, as to when a share chiri.
Nadiana circle near there for na canfa demonstration. What have they said?
For now they are not in support of it.
Oh, sir.
Yes, for now the Mikutam said they are not in support of it.
And no more issue will be to officially associate them.
Yeah, I think they will be doing that very soon.
And they might. Since they are not in support, officially you write that you are dissociating yourself from any such thing. Nah.
Yeah.
In that case, you know how to deal with them.
So that is why they will definitely try and protect the place. Again, let's just use this medium to tell anybody say so just be careful because the club don't want to lead or support any form of violence and now confusion. Yeah, I was only more they are. And I'll be know how to even control them.
I know my casa say what are your grievances.
What how near them, but Obian said then but what to say
so they'll go with the petition
I know the nina
because usually no oh yeah demonstration we throw in some near good back said be a kwa ukusia mpanyimfo no abo mama na say the ntie ba ni na mpanyimfo ajo krata on behalf of BSB management about quite say me German name magic. And okay, do those have for GB and saying,
okay, I say Slay Queens for now.
Navi Makaso says any the company for them. For example, is about the coach, our best work. Only one source the which my pamu coach, Chebe bought Swaman here. Sending Nana nom say, or Mumpe coach, not the buy. And I say, players no ya. What be a technical head no waji no akaso Kenya ni ombekasa. It should be a bit defined.
I say anytime I say all these way ni define kwa so there.
Okay, this is
boy no about training grounds nearby. Yes, you church on you maybe agusu amma hu say mumpagya nti akwa to say because they were making reference to some foreign clubs when the team is not performing. Go for say the gates no club ni training gate one maybe ana omo buy that so me huru omo and I say
omo be nanzen
omo be I think he's been some Atletico Madrid supporters here be it's suma here be it's ni Juve for no Italy
no mo huru omo
ya omo timi huru omo
na no huru omo stadium
so my no but omo some say ya omo who said there be the game against Bechim no but on say so to Kotoko game against Bechim a win be chere say Kotoko enya 4 points in 12 out of 12 in the last 4 and that is or lose 8 points.
Okay,
a draw ebs Kotoko 2 points out of 12 in the last 4 that's we lose 10. Unfortunately should Kotoko lose yes when you 1 point out of 12.
Okay, so it's a difficult venue.
Yes, we lose 11. I'm just saying the current form of Asante Kotoko depending on the results they will get at Bechim.
Okay,
and a bit describe it Orinia we lose 8 points in 4 games. Obodra will lose 10 points in 4 games. Olusua will lose 11 points in 4 games. That is what some of the supporters want to prevent. Let the players know how serious they are. But who say no 20 and to one so Bechem United itself to it's going to be a lovely weekend last season I say time and call so no more these stages wow. But no more sad brave moi say na no more dema Kotoko na Kotoko nya 0-0 e wo Bechim and oba home bet one ne journey so now at the same stage again Bechem United themselves are unbeaten in their home matches this season about 4 matches this season where we need 2 and about draw 2 so it tells you Oshemidiama 2-0 e wo ho so that is the kind of club Kotoko ne kwa Kosiano so the players themselves should know say there is the need to uplift their game and get results for Asante Kotoko. Minim say asem obehwemu ama we dey ma memfa njaw. Whether Coach Ogum ya bona mane say matches be than him he must change results or he might face sacking. Minim say what me so obehwemu ama me there.
Say obi abona mane say there.
Yes, sir. There have been a meeting say
minim dey but so obehwemu ama catch us enye no kre.
Okay, ne o dey hwemu.
Wa na be ka.
O dey hwemu ama so too.
Mame. Ade what TV bia. Na more information for my head there na.
Shushu mame.
Oh, okay.
And to the shushu mame na nyame admo chena ye ba maybe me abehwehwem say.
Okay, you mame na muza kitu mra wanza. Na maba minimum.
nyame yad much yenhwa yi na am problem bi AS wo Blasters team nim am so to be kwa fan sem bebre na aba se na se ne ko buy so to ado akoshia Jordan
who story so akopa na
so o fan Blasters captain Jordan so wonye
amba
so wonye na nkomo na Jordan ne kwesi nkomo na Jordan ne Kwesi Appiah di ye no nte sa video na be ba bontia na manfo ka no onim nkomo mu di ye
what and it's what sign language o ma de na ye singwa
okay
what's you focus on the
someone no can say enye wan hu Kwesi Appiah as a coach but wan Kwesi Appiah as a member of the Executive Council of Ghana Football Association
samu
and o ka kire ne say omoni coach ne nkasa na players na ye wo no nye hu ball ne ye bo no na se ye bobo na ye chase opponent ni mum na ye se chase ye na se the coach ni si ball ne de emo players no mo no
mama asem na ihu na ka che Sudan coach
I'm telling you
se na tu kese na odi se Sudan for inzamu
F4 no mote wo no otutu F4 no mote wo no omunim reason ti Thomas Partey wa ma
so bibi no
yes confusion is what Blasters team division asaba o de ebinya daje ni aka ho asem Asante Kotoko asem no mo koye demonstration supporter bia no betimi asore prekope so koye demonstration jiso obi ta akiri Kotoko demonstration so ye hu ni kurumo nyina na mpanyifo ne ta akiri obi an share akira supporters
na ntimi nkase
me hu Kotoko bi nsida em say the only demonstration is supporters demonstration na 98 dey no yes and the supporters ni who say and the supporters ni who say empempenso a team na du ni ba bi a team ni ko no eso mo do ma de srede ekoto ohenanim because sa dan mi zoto na reho Rich Park say league start na Kotoko ntimi raise team ball kura Kotoko de be training na ye problem enti do some pempenso na ese supporters etu ho na mo no mutu ho na mo e free ho no say do ni Lugarozic mi zoto se ni enim ana meboa
am atitibi
wunim mankase watete e ade a wunim na say dia course ogum di onyaye o refi Duncan
Duncan so training ba so
omo yi team ni free ho na Duncan ko da bench so go training ground
so na match na go free break kuma sen
and the supporters ni because omo ko page Duncan free bench ni so
oza kan me ba ku si a oza keche
ansa na bia ba
20-30 years by the see a following year and see a full nice
Kotoko na se nche ye no mo ko ball park bi so Konongo Waterloo no mo tu ni din hwe okasa mu yi meboa omo IMC no mo di team na nim no man hwe mo kasa mu yi demonstration no man na akofa ba mfiri ba bia enu nkyere se ma coach ni nya adwuma ogum de mzoto asem no no akofa akɔhye ne kon o anka wo hwe players a wato a ka ne papa mu pa anka abotre na ezo munyama no ba se wo ye coach na ebra wo coach team wo betimi anya kwan apam over 20 players ne ya sa akɔfa fofora ba se empo players na ye kan masem no abro mo ko pem so anim no mo ka emu be 20 ka coach na asem ene yesi ye pam players no 20 no ne eja coach ni wa zoto echese coach ko lucky because players no omo ye more valuable to the club than who coach no players no mo ko ye ne ebu anka Kotoko betimi aton mo but just to save coach Ogum na ye man opportunity so ebia players no ma shada no mo bo abro enti coach ni de onye hwe players na ye ma coach no nya na resource enti ye nyi players ni free ho ampani ye players nyina free ho ena players foforo aba na baby a akofa asem na ban se ukai Ogum one Kotoko media interview bi o say selection kra ye den de ama no so we coach na ka selection na ye den de ama wa e kire se wo players ama ni buso eti o struggle kra so be selection eti eyono ane nsem a wakeka a to supporters ni trim ena akofa sa pressure na ba ba se ka wo hwe baby a Kotoko gina sesei enemy so to team are virtually in the first 11 wasesa ni nyina adana me catch obi say problem timisi ba me de Kotoko 3 games amahwe no benim say me so to wahwe bia you players ni bebre omo wo sisi omo call at the end of the season omo ya de eche omo bebre oh yes na se mahwe bo ya ye boy se mahwe obi ti say Manolentwi ebe din so be convince me say ntwi bo na wabo na me hu no ye better than Lamte.
Tell Lamte they no Kobe. Lamte they was not transfer.
Oh so oko.
Mr. Lamte there.
Me come say omo call ye.
Okay. He can't be better than Lamte.
So what did me chana say?
Because of transfer in your scanner.
There be one a free agent. So what did me chana say? It's coach ni hia bre. But because of enkomo e call so akire and the coach ni eja no akoto 20 players. And you see coach sign 30 players and a coach is there be or the 24 na bebo and I to supporters in the team and then ye dey kutia coach no
okay
that we be a coach ni gina say no meeting na ye ka se course nura no mizoto e meeting ase ye ya mamanfo so ya ko meeting ni nyina no omoboa ogum se wo tie mi a se wo bibia beye na ne boys ne be kan bom no ko wini match ne Kwesi ada ebeboa wa mu ba bia de na duru no ne mpempenso na ewo no se ogum entimi awini against Bechema yoto ogum Kumasi ba ebeye den ogum Kumasi ba yoto ebeye problem because minim oma omo ho a ene ba bia yegina no they don't want ogum even closer to Kotoko team no
good Zach.
So the biggest enemy of Kotoko na say Yamaka and Kotoko na. Unim problems na say na jibu eken. Before there will be any action, na yo mo anu makodi di omo nkomo a. Onwa na di omo nkomo. Impacho when recruitment how to support us no any eja no nko akoto ni player me pa jo one come support us no
they know what is going on
because you
supporters one team no
idea how Kotoko pa
one regime Kotoko supporters and one beam pa in recent times they week
no idea ha pa and say pemfo akohye bi omemie nso omodi omunkom awie no down come on will find its way to the supporters. And to be honest, Otina bi BBC they no money sa asem no. Na di
anu asem.
Na di attack you.
America say me say ogum kon.
I don't so na there.
Omo me catch supporters no. Ono ana ye you ye ka say yenko no no afo so say yenko.
How is that possible?
Me to
that enya possible.
Mama one example. Mama more example bako. On Kwesi ada game no boy no. Padaje na teacher ma K5 interview no ye no. Uwi anu wetia less menu interview no ye no. Utie wia. Wo de wa asem no wa be bua.
Nti se utie K5. Na utie Alessa. No baby asen free e ko kasa na kire wo.
Alessa ka coach asem.
Do say technical. What's the problem there technical? Bacho meeting.
Alessa do say.
Bacho.
Obi ante chire me Kotoko.
Okanya ka say coach na sign the players. Wanga coach na sign the players. Alessa ka sign the players. Wanga. Enya etebi. Eti mtoto you understand where the problem is. But say di baba ko mienu. Ye kwata dem na meeting na. Asem na yakoka no. Ubo say mtoto ye pie ya na ba ko pese ono no. I say me dem nka ho we na ye we nti o kire bi ona asemi ba mo fota ka no
why me nka
eti mpacho leadership today o dey let me be blunt me mo be adin I am seen that way I am say the way how can you tell me say mu ye adwuma na bibia a wo so wo dey on kan wo na we a dey on kan ogro ma sia na say mutu ye adwuma nso ma meka masem srewa
na mama so
na me srewa meka masem mo ye simu ya IMC ye adwuma adan nkumni aba de ya na nkofo enam ye
edien ba nkunimdie
yes eba na people are just going around samba but e bit check akra bia no no have a che
obese flu dia so seka
flu enka
na who dey flu
not going to
who dey flu but so ene make me and me say me share park F call. I want them to say me the Kotoko structure very well. Me share company for how the IMC works. And I was told point blank say the IMC chairman is Nana Penkra. Everybody reports to him. Everybody reports to him. No, no, they are efficacy. How can you tell me say, oh, now we are chairman now we penny, you know? You should.
Only Nana Penkra na kai.
No, me look for no more like people who are.
Now Nana sem now.
No, like sorry, and because how can people tell us? No, I'm talking about Nkofana. People are trying to let us believe say the chairman Masemsia he's out.
No, but on Wakasa. What is the chairman? I be in who free Bimuda. The way he see, maybe they artisan. So you cannot use that to judge.
No, because the artisan say,
most of the way general, you are professional, and don't mean you so artisan and fan judge. Because why the way me to a car say they are with the coach, they are going to protect the coach and all that, and you are empty for you. And based on this, they have shown commitment towards each other.
You took one and you took one break.
That is suspicious.
TV coverage. I've done the work. Be a bit matter come so
na just dey before atro part no one now so ba be ozo bi antimi ntan kuma o dia product dia
say
is that your
say wakoto
o so dia man o no ma sign contract so say
omo saying
na ya o dia wa dia ya
omo saying
dia to abasa dey fe man san no aba na ade fe what you say me say Equatorial Guinea no
yeah passion amati
more the quick start call ma
akwane say twa omo de asem na ato no so
with videos
also nya no kro
also no fa bibia ma abonten
na no na de bayo
ayifo na abaye yen so any private